Hi there! Gonna, wanna, gotta. You've probably already heard these words with your American coworkers and friends, right? How do you use them and what do they mean? Well, that's what we're gonna learn today. Let's go. Some verbs that are often followed by to are so common in American English that we have a tendency to eat the words because it makes them easier to pronounce. Now, maybe for you, not easier to understand, but for speaking, it helps them to roll off the tongue. And this is especially true for words like gotta, gonna, and wanna. I want to show you what these words sound like with some extracts from my course, Understand Real American English, which helps you understand the real fast spoken conversations with native speakers. I mean, after all, that's why you're here, right? Is to learn real world spoken English. And after hearing and looking at these extracts, I'm going to help you to understand them. This way, next time you hear them in conversations, you'll be able to understand a lot more easily. Gonna is the connected speech version of going to. And that's how we say that verb in casual spoken English, gonna. For example, I'm going to go becomes I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. And here's a real example from a conversation with my sister, Lisa.
Originally, I was going to pick them up, and then I took this other job, so now I work during the day.
Did you hear that? She said, originally, I was going to pick them up, but then I took this other job, and now I work during the day. So I was gonna pick them up. I was gonna pick them up. I was going to pick them up. Here it is again, now that you know what she said.
Originally, I was going to pick them up, and then I took this other job, so now I work during the day.
Try it yourself. Transform this phrase into casual spoken American English. Are you going to stay here? Are you going to stay here? Your turn. Yeah, that's right. Are you going to stay here? Are you going to stay here? Wanna is the connected speech form of want to. So want to becomes wanna. And here's an example in a conversation with my good friend, Colleen.
It'll allow me to experience other places around the world, which is what I really want to do.
Right. It's like I just want to travel and go places and get paid to do it. Did you hear that? She said, it'll allow me to experience other places around the world, which is really what I want to do. And that last part is the connected speech form of what I really want to do. And then I agree with her and reformulate her idea by saying, yeah, right, because I just want to travel and go places and get paid to do it. And in written English, you would write, I just want to travel and go places. Can you hear that in that extract again?
It'll allow me to experience other places around the world, which is what I really want to do.
Right. It's like I just want to travel and go places and get paid to do it. It's fun learning English with my friends and family, right? Well, you can get 10 entire conversations, video lessons, full written transcripts, exercises to help you understand better and to train your ear, and pronunciation exercises to help you with your own pronunciation in the course Understand Real American English. Go ahead and click on the link up there if you want to get more information about that course. Now, let's do one more example. In American conversations, we replace have got to or got to with gotta. And it means forced to or I need to. For example, all of these sentences mean pretty much the same thing. I need to go. I have to go. I have got to go. I got to go. And I gotta go. You want to hear it again in a real conversation, like with my cousin Jennifer? And take a little trip with us. Because how do they do it here? Is it you come to the roundabout and you gotta wait until the roundabout is, free? In the written transcript of that conversation, you'll see that part written as, because how do they do it here? Is it you come to the roundabout and you gotta wait until the roundabout is, free? Did you understand? Here it is a second time. Because how do they do it here? Is it you come to the roundabout and you gotta wait until the roundabout is, free? So let's recap to help you remember. The verbs that you saw today are want to becomes wanna. For example, they don't want to know. They don't want to know. They don't want to know. Got to becomes gotta. For example, I've got to leave early. I gotta leave early. I gotta leave early. And going to becomes gonna. For example, this is going to change. This is going to change. This is going to change. In real spoken English, you will hear so many examples of fast connected speech like the things that you learned today. And that's why it is absolutely essential to train your ear to understand and catch these things so that you can understand in real conversations, which today maybe seem a little fast for you. But the good news is that now you are one step closer to feeling comfortable and confident when speaking and understanding real American English. To help you go further with this, I've made a short playlist for you with some more episodes on listening skills and pronunciation. It's going to help you understand better and also feel more confident about your own speaking. Step by step, you will become more confident about your English, I promise. And also in that playlist, there's a special trailer for the course, Understand Real American English. So be sure to watch it, and I'll see you in the next episode.